A ChiroSecure research update. A randomized clinical trial published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics to compare the relative efficacy of chiropractic adjustments with muscle relaxants and placebo sham for subacute low back pain. 192 subjects experiencing low back pain of 2 to 6 weeks duration were randomly allocated to 3 groups with interventions applied over 2 weeks. The interventions were either chiropractic adjustments with placebo medicine, muscle relaxants with sham adjustments, or placebo medicine with sham adjustments. Visual Analog Scale for Pain, Oswestry Disability Questionnaire, and Modified Zung Depression Scale were assessed at baseline, 2 weeks, and 4 weeks. Statistical differences across groups were seen for pain. A primary outcome chiropractic group improved more than control group, and global impression of severity scale chiropractic group improved more than other groups. In conclusion, chiropractic was more beneficial than placebo in reducing pain and more beneficial than either placebo or muscle relaxants in reducing global impression of severity scale.